You know,
Yes.
see, payment has been done. Previously, invoice was there, no? After running this is the
Yeah.
2020 minus 0. Like that, it will be
Zero.
happen.
Okay.
If you want to see the any checks, if any checks was printed means we need to go slash and SP01. This is here only we will see the checks. Sometimes it will come, sometimes it won't come. Okay, here
Okay.
we need to go. Here we need to give the date. Okay, what date you have printed all these things. Okay, for example, if I execute, okay, see here three came. Okay, one is summary, advice, and check.
Check.
Okay, for example, if I click this one, okay, like this it will come.
Okay.
Like bank number, okay, account
Hmm.
number, check number,
Check.
everything like that. Amount it will come. Okay, for example, advice if you see, advice also says okay, like this it will come.
Okay.
And for here is the summary. Okay, when you if you see the summary means here the document number will be there. Okay, here the amount will be there, and see here the bank SBI.
Yes.
Okay, SBI Bank Chennai. Okay, everything will be available here. Why it is coming from SBI Bank means I have assigned the bank
Yes.
directly, SBI to the vendor. Okay,
Vendor.
for that purpose only the check will display from the SBI Bank. If I didn't assign that bank in the SBI in the bank in the vendor means it will go to rank process. Rank process is first rank is nothing but HDFC.
HDFC.
Okay, like that. This is the process of automatic payment program. Okay.
Okay.
From Thursday, I will start the asset accounting. Okay,
Yeah.
Thursday and
Okay.
Friday. Next week, we will make it everything over. Okay.
Oh, sure.
Okay, ba. Bye. Hmm?
Thank you.
Ah.
Bye.